Hey guys, welcome back. I left the screen right where we stopped because we're not finished with this lesson yet. I just had to break the video, otherwise they take forever to upload. So if you turn the page, we are looking at theoretical and experimental probabilities. And I want to focus on theoretical first. So let's get a definition of what theoretical probability means. This is probability based on the laws of chance. Okay. And to illustrate this to you, I have drawn a die. Let me read the word problem and then we'll break it down. It says if you roll a die 50 times, what is the probability of rolling a 4? And remember, die is one die, and I really want you to know that because I want you to be able to say this correctly. 2 of them are dice, or 3 or 4, more than one. So 1 is die, 2 or more are dice. So if you roll one die 50 times, and that's important, what is the probability of rolling a 4? That is also important. So we are only interested in this side right there, at least for the probability part. So the first thing we need to do is set up a probability problem. The probability of rolling a 4. And remember, I showed you how to do this, but it's been a little while, so let's look again. And whatever's in your parentheses will be up here. So there's only one side that has 4 dots on it. There's 1 4. But we have 6 sides altogether that could pop up. We don't know what it will be. We're hoping it's a 4, but it could be any of the others. So the probability of rolling a 4 is 1 out of 6. But how many times do we want to roll our die? 50 times. 50 times. Times 50. So on your calculator, using your fraction key, and if you don't know how to do that, I want you to go back and watch the tutorial. 1 ABC 6 times 50 equals 8 1/3. Okay, so about 8 times I would expect a 4. And this is terrible grammar. I should say I would expect a 4 to turn up about 8 times. But since I'm already on this. Okay, now we still haven't found the probability. All we found are the number of times. To get the actual probability, you have to take that 8 out of 50 and do your division. So you're going to say 8 divided by 50. I think it's about 17, but I'm not sure. It was close, but it's a good thing I did it. 0.16 or 16%. Remember, 0% is impossible. 100% is a sure thing. So this is leaning toward unlikely. This is more toward 0 than it would be toward 100. So the theoretical probability of rolling a 4, if you do it 50 times, is 16%. I'm going to stop this video and then we'll look at the next problem.